Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, an NFC-capable device and NFC tools installed. Open the app and grant permissions so it can access NFC and storage. Once done, enable the phone's NFC toggle and locate the reader antenna. On many phones, it's near the top. Now hold the tag gently against that area until the app indicates a connection. This first read establishes tag type and UID, so you'll know what operations are safe to perform next. Once connected, tap Read to retrieve the UID, memory capacity, and existing NDEF records so you understand constraints. You should analyze the memory map and lock bits. This tells you whether blocks are writable or permanently configured. Next, build your payload. Choose URI for links, text for labels, or custom NDEF for apps. When composing, match payload size to available bytes. If it exceeds capacity, split content or choose a larger tag. Save the draft in the app before writing. You're ready to write? Select your saved payload and press write, then hold the tag steady at the antenna location until the app confirms success. Immediately reread the tag to verify the NDEF records, match your intended content, and test the action on another device. If writing fails, make sure device battery isn't low, realign the tag to the antenna, and confirm the tag isn't locked or read-only. If lock bits are set, you cannot overwrite, so use a new tag or consult tag specifications.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.